I have a quick question for you. What does this, 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 and this have in common? I'll show you later. All right. For this next step, I'm glad I paid attention in math class. Any hints now what I'm doing? And 2.5 hours later, you get this. I got even one for the boots. Put the boot in here, the shoe right here. Of course, the other shoe will go right there. And it rotates. So the ladies, when you in your closet, you could be like, wow, shoe. So this is a custom shoe rack. It holds 6 up here, 6. So 18, so 24 shoes all together. It holds 24 shoes. Well, 6 boots, however you want to put it. You can actually hold more in here because actually 2 could go in here, and you can put some in the back right there. So I'm sorry to tell you, but I'm like a whole bunch of orders, but I'll let you guys know when you can start ordering. All right.